Okay. In today's video I will unbox, I think, 4 products or gadgets or modules that I ordered from Aliexpress, and take a look at the first one, and it's pretty useful and I think that everyone needs this. And what is it? It's a switch extension hub, 7-port USB 2.0 hub computer USB extension hub with 7 or 4 for PC, laptop, desktop. You can choose in white color with 4 ports, in black with blue lights, or this 7-port USB hub. And the price starts from $2 and is going up. That depends on where you're living. And I have ordered this one. You can feel it. Bubbles now. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me explain some things about this product, which is 7-port USB hub with 7 USB outlets. Also we have 7 switches and 7 LED lights for indicating are they are turned on or off. Also on the side we have here you can hook up a DC external power supply, so can this thing deliver more amperes. But if you use it just like this, without external power supply, only with the USB, the maximum current that can handle this thing, it's around 4 amperes. Yes, if you add a external power supply, you will get more amps. But right now I'm gonna use it as it is, and let's try it now. Okay, powering. And it's a light blue color. It's not very bright, but it's working. Let me show you. I'm gonna attach my USB adapter right here. My light, my second light. Okay, turn it on. Right. Ooh. Nice. Is this good? What do you think? Let me kill the lights so you can see better. Maybe in the future I will make the lights to be brighter, but take a look. Alright, this is satisfying. Nice. Adding. Okay, the doctor, this one, and this one. Alright, it's working great. Turning off. For a couple of dollars, this product is awesome. The link will be in description below. For all the products will be in description below, so you can check it. Now let's proceed to the next one. Before I proceed to the next module that I will review, I must mention my supporters on coffee.com page, where you can buy me one coffee only one time or become a monthly subscription. And the latest supporters that support my work and my channel is the Richard. Make stuff. It says love your content, keep it up. Thank you, Richard. Aaron send me one coffee. Thank you, Aaron, for supporting my work. This guy is from Japan. I think it's a Misa Omi. Sorry for pronouncing wrong. It says, I always enjoy watching your videos. I'm from Japan. Oh, great. They are watching my videos in Japan. Rich Sat, Liu Peck, KPG, Grant, Richard the Tommy in the Fatherland, Adrian Arts, Brian Ramsey. Thank you for all of you who support my channel. This means a lot for me. For $1 from AliExpress, you can get this kind of display. and it's 1.8 inch full color 128 by 160 SPI full color TFT LCD display, and the module is with this driver ST7735S that works on 3.3 volts, and it's mostly used for Arduino, but you can use it also for Raspberry Pi or other boards. Oh, it's not that one, it's this one. Oh, I received two products. I forgot about that. Oh, and they come with bubbles. Okay. Ooh. I must be gentle with the screen. Oh. I need this kind of LCD screen, and I have one similar, but this one is bigger, and I have made a couple of code projects for Arduino using this thing. Let me show you. This is 1.4 inch and this one is 1.8 inch. Beautiful. In my next videos I will upload new code projects using this guy, which is super, and I'm gonna combine with the ESP32C3 mini board or module. Okay, I need to be gentle with this. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, and what is this? I totally forgot about this. Let me open it. And it's a 3-wire tiny LED voltmeter. Take a look how small it is. This is the smallest LED voltmeter with 7-segment display, and this is a little bit bigger. Take a look. This is the father, this is the son. Oh, let me hook it up so you can see it. And by the way, I think that I order yellow. I do not have yellow color. Remember, this is 3-wire LED voltmeter. Also there are 2 wires, but this one is 3-wire. And what does it mean, 3-wire? That means that the 2 wires are for powering the LED voltmeter and the yellow wire is for measuring the voltage. Now I'm gonna hook it up and you're gonna see that. What? Beautiful yellow. Take a look. So red and black are for powering the LED voltmeter, and with the yellow one you measure the voltage. Take a look now. 11.9 volts. Beautiful. If I hold it, the voltage go through my body and it reads 0.44 volts. Alright. Just to measure it, and I have one more package to open. Wait. It's 20, almost 23 millimeters by how much? By 10 millimeters, and the width is 7 millimeters. Okay, and this awesome module cost under $1. The product will be in description below so you can check it. I need this thing for my project. Oh, I forgot to show on the Aliexpress. And take a look. You can choose 1.5 volt AAA or AA rechargeable with Type-C connector batteries. Take a look. You can order 4 of them, 8. Great. And the price is starting from $1 and is going up to $15, depends on how much batteries you will order. All right. Have you ever seen a USB charging cable like this? It have, come on, it have 4 Type-C connectors. Oh, so you can charge it, all 4 of them, in the same time. Beautiful. Alright, take a look. AAA rechargeable lithium batteries that give 1.5 volts. Let me check that. Also, this model of multimeter is rechargeable and I love it. Let's measure the first one. 1.5 volts. It's fully charged. Let's try another one. 1.5 watt, 2. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm gonna hook up all of them and test while charging to see how much current they are pulling. Hooking up on my... Let's try only one. Oh, take a look. A tiny green, flashing green LED inside the battery indicating that it's charging, and it's pulling 230 milliamperes. I'm gonna place them all. Okay, 2. 3. 4. Oh, all of them are blinking. Okay. 670 milliamperes. Take a look. And they are pulling now almost 900 milliamperes. All of them are charged right now. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I will use this in my projects. That was all for today's video. If you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.